Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. And in this video I'm going to show you how we can use tar command in Linux. Tar command is used to create, maintain, modify and extract files which are archived in the tar format. Now tar stands for tape archive and it's an archiving file format just like zip file. Okay, so let's see how we can use tar file. So for using tar file, you just need to type tar for the tar format, and then you use some flags with the tar file. So for example, you just use C for creating an archive. Then you can use V stands for verbose, which is used to display the progress in the terminal while creating the archive file. Okay, and then you use F flag to allow you to specify the file name. If you don't specify this F flag, then your Linux system is going to create a zip file which is going to be system dependent and its name is not defined by you, right? So let's see how we can use this. So you can see on my desktop there is a folder called test, right? So to make it a tar file or to compress it, first of all I will go to the desktop folder, and then you can see I have this test folder, right? Now for compressing this test folder using tar, I can use tar as I told you, then CVF flags, and then the name of your tar file whichever you want to give. So for example, test.tar, and then the name of your folder which you want to compress, which is test, right? And then when you press enter, you can see it has first showed the progress of compressing, and then once this command is done, a tar file is created which is shown here, right? On Ubuntu, if you are using Ubuntu, you can just double click on this tar file and it's going to show you this kind of folder extractor. This is a GUI program which you also can use, but most of the time we must I recommend you to use this tar command to compress the file, right? Now once again, if I want to uncompress this folder once again, what I can do, I can once again write tar command, and then for uncompressing or extracting we use a different flag than this C, right? C is for creating the tar file, and then for extracting the tar file we can use -X for extracting, okay? And then V and F flag will be the same, and then the name of your tar file, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this test folder so that once this tar file will be extracted, is going to create, or it's going to extract this folder again, okay? So tar and then xvf and the name of your tar file, which is test.tar in my case, and then press enter, and then you will see this test folder is extracted from this tar file, right? Now sometimes you also use the gzip format, which is tar.gz, and this gz stands for gzip format, okay? And for this we use a flag called z. So let me clear the terminal here, and once again I want to compress this test folder or directory to our tar.gz file. So what I'm going to do is, once again I'm going to use tar, and then -C for creating, VF for verbose and for allowing the file name, and then you use Z flag to create the GZ format for you, okay? And then the name of your tar file, so tar.gz, and then your folder name, whatever is the folder, okay? But you need to remember one thing here, that just this Z flag must come after your C flag. Okay, so CZVF. Okay, and then press enter, and it's going to create your tar.gz file, right? And similarly, to extract this folder, I'm going to delete this folder or directory once again, and then I'm going to just use tar, and then instead of this C flag, I'm going to use X for extracting, and then I'm going to just give this command, which is gzip file name. Okay, and press enter, and it's going to extract the file and show it here, right? So in this way, you can use tar command to compress and uncompress folders or directories in Linux. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.